In today's vlog, I'm doing a little hair experiment, so stay tuned to see how it turned out. And I also discuss a strange hair-related allergy I may have developed. All things mentioned will be linked down below, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. So I want to try a little experiment with my hair, and I wanted to document it because I'm curious to see how it will come out. So the short of it is, I normally define my hair, diffuse it, and then I stretch it with a blow dryer to get, you know, a little bit of volume and all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to stretch it first out with the blow dryer, then apply my gel, then diffuse it and see how that goes, and kind of do it a little bit out of order to see if it kind of keeps the stretch better, if that makes any sense. So I'm fresh out of the shower. It is wash day. I just washed my hair and conditioned it, detangled it. And I have a little bit of Uncle Funky's Curly Magic Curl Stimulator just on the ends. When I apply product in my hair, I really only do it from like bottom down to like the last quarter of the shaft. So basically I'm gonna get to stretching the hair now with my concentration nozzle. I'm just gonna do a tension blow dry with the concentration nozzle of my Dyson. Okay, so this is what we're looking like, which I'm really happy with because it's kind of like the base I want to start at. It may look funny, but hopefully it turns out how I'm envisioning. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Innerscense iCreate hold, and I'm going to define the ends, maybe like this much, like the bottom third of my hair. And then I'll show you what we're looking like, and then I guess I'll diffuse it to dry. Okay, here we are, halfway done. Okay, so we're kind of getting in the groove. So I've added the gel to like the bottom third of my hair, and then to frame the face, I defined all the way up to the top, basically. I need to actually get this little bottom piece. But yeah, so when it frames the face, it's like more defined around my face. I've been trying that recently and I kind of like that. So yeah, we'll get the full picture once I diffuse and fluff and all that, but I think I'm feeling good about it. This is where we are. I finished applying the product. It's pretty good. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna diffuse it. I really don't have to. I'm sure it'll dry pretty quickly, but I'm gonna diffuse it. And then I'm gonna lay my edges. So I told you I defined the face framing pieces all the way to the top. And then I'm going to slick my edges down and come back and show you the finished product. The shape looks kind of weird now, but fear not. Okay, so this is the finished product, which I'm loving it. I feel like it's a easier way than kind of doing your whole wash and go and stretching it from there. And it makes it, I don't know, I'm just really feeling it. And normally I don't wear a middle part, but I'm really digging this, the shape, the fluff. It just looks very like carefree, and it's a little bit stiff because like, you know, the holding product on the ends and whatever. So I have a little bit of this oil. So spray a little bit on my hand and then kind of like loosen up the gel cast a little bit. Loosen up the gel cast a little bit. And then if you need to, like I just did for this side a little bit, stretch out any areas a little bit. Go right on the head, but I feel like sleeping on this, it's gonna be nice and big and beautiful all week. Probably should like flip it upside down and do all that, but I got to get going on with my day. I think I'm going to sleek down my edges, and I'm definitely gonna show you how it wore throughout the week, but I'm really liking it. I'm probably gonna just start doing my hair like this because it cuts down on the drying time, cuts down on the amount of product that you use and cuts down on the time that you have to stretch it, and it keeps the stretch easier. Okay, so edges are done, as you can see. And I took my blow dryer with the concentration nozzle after I took the scarf off and kind of ran it through like so for a minute or two total for my whole head. So just, you know, like 30 seconds. Same on the other side. And this is my end result. So I am digging it. It's just huge. I love it. I love big hair and kind of like wild looking hair. I'm obsessed. And it was quicker. So usually like start to finish, wash, detangle, style, dry, all of that. It takes me like maybe 2.5 hours. Sometimes a little bit longer, sometimes a little bit shorter, like give or take 15 minutes. But this was under 2 hours. And I don't have to wait like a day or two for my hair to get like a little bit bigger. So like on day one, I'm living my best life and I'm obsessed. Oh, of course my hair always gets stuck in these little earrings. You know, I'm obsessed. So I'm thinking I'm going to sleep on this and show you how it wears throughout the week, but I'm really digging it. And so usually I like to wear my hair for the most part, like, what is that? Oh, it's a little bit of gel residue. I like to wear my hair, like I'll clip it up for half up, half down. I don't usually wear a middle part, but when I'm styling my hair, I'll style it with the middle part. And then once I get done, then I flip it over to the side part and it gives more body up here. People used to always say that and I just didn't get it, but now I definitely do. So yeah, this is the final product. I flipped my hair over for the side part. Day one hair, which I'm obsessed with. A lot of stretch, a lot of volume, and it just looks really good, but just not too perfect. So I think this is definitely gonna be my new like go-to technique. And I know it'll be super easy to just like tie up for the whole week, and I'm good for 7 days. And the thing is, if you wanted to have it defined more, just like go a little bit further up, maybe take it halfway up. I like this look personally, so I'll keep it where I am, maybe like a third of the way up my strands. And let me actually turn around so you can see the back. So this is day 2 on the hair. I'm very, very, very happy with it. See, like normally when I wash my hair, mine by the end of the week starts looking like this, but now I can get it from day 1. It's amazing. My lips are a little dry because I went to the dentist this morning, so don't mind that, but it's amazing. Larger than life. Love it. But this has been happening to me for the past several weeks. I have like an allergic reaction every time I wash my hair, and it's with different shampoos as well. It is the strangest thing in the world. So like I'll wash my hair, and like usually if I'm really quick with it, I don't really notice it that much. But yesterday was probably the worst reaction I've had, and I'm still kind of sneezing. Today it'll like last for maybe like just overnight, and then the next day I feel fine. But it was the strangest thing in the world. Like I was like sneezing, my eyes were watering uncontrollably, and I don't have any allergies. So I don't know what's in this particular shampoo and conditioner that I use, I was wondering if you guys have had this problem before. It's been happening to me for like the past several months. Like, and I told you it's happened with different shampoos and all that. So I don't know what is going on. It's just when I wash my hair. So yeah, I think it's the strangest thing. I'm gonna do some research on it. But if you have an experience with that, please let me know, because I don't know what the heck it is. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Let me know about the allergic reaction to the hair products or the washing of the hair. Let me know. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.